time for me to open my present from the Magnet Exchange. Toby just opened his and got a couple of nice things. So I've got this package from San Diego in America, in California. Let's see what I've got. I did get a message saying they weren't sure if this was in the UK or not, and US Post tried to send it to Qatar, which is a bit strange, but this is well stuck. Oh, I should have got a knife for this. How much Ooh, got some little chocolates as well, that's cool. Something about a lighthouse. Is this like a local? Oh wow, this is huge. This is cool. There's a note about a lighthouse, so this is from a local one. Oh, that's nice. I'm sure that looks like something from a film. Oh, there's like a little laser cut wooden thing. I don't want to kill that. Come on, don't stick. Don't stick. So we got lighthouse. Ah, nice little shelf from San Diego as well. And that's cool little key rings. And I get some chocolate as well. And there's a note. What we got? Oh, it's all different flavours as well. That'll make lunch at work fun today. Right, let's have a look. Got a nice note from my Santa. It says, "Hi Vic, I chose these magnets because they represent my city and state. I live in San Diego, California, USA. We are the lost city in Southern California. We are the last city in California before crossing the Mexican border. We are known for beautiful weather, beaches, zoo, and our military bases. I love my city. We're diverse. We love to be outdoors, and we love to celebrate our history and ties to the neighbouring country, Mexico. I've sent a small abalone shell, a locally bamboo Californian magnet, and a local photographs of our lighthouse. I hope you enjoy the history I've sent about our lighthouse. Lastly, I sent some chocolates made in San Diego for you and some to share. Cheers and be well, Santa." Thank you very much, my Santa in San Diego.